Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced Keyword Transformations, exercise number CAE064. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, Jenny isn't a bad accountant, but I don't think it is a very suitable occupation for her. The keyword is cut. And the second sentence is, I just don't think Jenny, blank, an accountant. The correct answer is, I just don't think Jenny is cut out to be an accountant. The phrase, cut out to be, means to have the necessary qualities or abilities for a particular role or job. In this context, it suggests that Jenny does not have the inherent qualities or isn't suitable to be an accountant. Another example, she is not cut out to be a teacher due to her lack of patience. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, don't you think insurance is getting very costly these days? The keyword is cost. And the second sentence is, don't you think the blank higher and higher these days? The correct answer is, don't you think the cost of insurance is getting higher and higher these days? The phrase, cost of insurance is getting, emphasizes the increasing expense of insurance over time. It indicates that insurance prices are steadily rising. Another example, the cost of living is getting higher every year. Next up, question 3. We had no problems at all during our holiday in Turkey. The keyword is plan. And the second sentence is, everything blank during our holiday in Turkey. The correct answer is, everything went to plan during our holiday in Turkey. The phrase went to plan means that everything happened as expected or intended without any issues. It suggests a smooth and problem-free experience. Another example, the event went to plan with no unexpected problems. Moving to number 4. The original sentence is, it's possible Claire phoned while we were out. The keyword is may. And the second sentence is, Claire blank while we were out. The correct answer is, Claire may have phoned while we were out. The phrase may have phoned indicates a possibility that Claire tried to call during the time they were not home. It suggests uncertainty about whether the call occurred or not. Another example, she may have left a message while you were away. Let's move to question number 5. The original sentence is, our class has won the history quiz for the 3rd year running. The keyword is succession. And the second sentence is, for the blank, our class has won the history quiz. The correct answer is, for the 3rd year in succession, our class has won the history quiz. The phrase 3rd year in succession means that the class has consecutively won the quiz for 3 years. It emphasizes the continuity of their success. Another example, they won the championship for the 4th year in succession. Next is number 6. The original sentence is, the thunderstorm brought their tennis match to an abrupt end. The keyword is cut. And the second sentence is, they had to blank because of the thunderstorm. The correct answer is, they had to cut short their tennis match because of the thunderstorm. The phrase cut short their tennis match means that the match was interrupted and ended earlier than planned due to the thunderstorm. It means the end of the match was unexpected and premature. Another example, the power outage cut short our movie night. Moving on to number 7. The original sentence is, what used to be my workplace is now a Thai restaurant. The keyword is turned. And the second sentence is, my old workplace blank Thai restaurant. The correct answer is, my old workplace has been turned into a Thai restaurant. The phrase has been turned into indicates that the former workplace has been transformed or repurposed into a Thai restaurant. It highlights a significant change in use. Another example, the old bicycle factory has been turned into a shopping centre. Finally, question number 8. The original sentence is, I don't mind at all if you film my wedding speech. The keyword is objection. And the second sentence is, I have blank my wedding speech. The correct answer is, I have no objection to you filming my wedding speech. The phrase "no objection to" means that the speaker has no problem or issue with someone recording their wedding speech. It conveys a sense of approval or acceptance. Another example, I have no objection to you joining us for dinner. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.